Hello, good evening everyone. Welcome back with me again. Okay, so this time I'm in Ubud area and look at today's weather, guys. We got rain. So this is the starting of our raining season. It's raining now in Ubud and this is Jalan Jembawan. So I will walk around here and let's see Ubud area. So this is what is happening during the rainy season. Sometimes you got rain like this, but mostly like quick rain on and off like that. So you just need to bring umbrella like me. Let's see, I'll bring umbrella and everything will be fine because the temperature is the same, 30 something. So no need to worry. And look at this, here there is a small cafe or warung, pada payu warung. So see, they enjoying the rain, so they don't need to bring umbrella because the weather is I mean the temperature is very good, still warm. And what we can find here at Jalan Jembawan, basically a lot of homestays in this area and small shops like this. See, they have a tailor, I think, here. And nothing much is happening because this is not kind of like a main street in Ubud, so not really busy in this area. And here is Adiwana Hotel, and they have the restaurant and they have live music as well. So like to stay here at Adiwana. And next to it here they have small cafe, kind of like coffee shop. Balinese massage here. And here on the left side, I think this is a new shop. I didn't see this shop last time. It looks nice. So for you that planning to come to Bali, because I got some questions about the weather in Bali. So this is the what will happen during the rainy season. Sometimes we get rain at night or early in the morning. Very seldom time that we have rain like whole day. So no need to worry to come to Bali. Probably the price of the accommodation is cheaper during the rainy season. Oh, look at this nice cafe, Rans Warung. And this one also, I don't know what's the name of this cafe. It looks nice. Look at that. But still quiet. And now it's around 7 o'clock in the evening. So it should be dinner time. And here is Moon Cafe. There are some people there. Look nice cafe. And we are getting closer to the main road, which is Jalan Raya Ubud. So let's keep walking. Okay, so this is the main road, which is Jalan Raya Ubud. It will lead us to go to Ubud Palace. And this is Bali Buddha. They have the shop and they have the cafe as well. And next to it here they have money changer. Just would like to give you the information. This kind of money changer is good. Proper building. They have the rate here and no commission, of course, authorized. So you can change money in this kind of place, guys. To be safe, don't lose money because there might have some scams in Bali. Anyway, every country they have their scams or anything like that, something bad. But just be careful because sometimes you will see small counter of money changer or small board that's showing bigger rate than the authorized money changer, like this also here on the right side. So don't get fooled because they will lead you somewhere and they will do like some tricks. You will not realize that you will get much less money compared than the authorized money changer, because sometimes they will take like 3 or 4 notes of your money, so you will lose your money. So be careful. Don't lose money in Bali because of that trick. Or if you have no option, I mean you cannot find that big money changer, just count your money at the counter before you leave. Make sure you get the right amount of money. And all the shops, they are closing. And if you like to do some shopping, you can come in this area at noon or in the morning so that you can get like morning price. I have massage like this, and still some shops open. Right there also another shop. And right there on the right side is another big money changer, which is BMC money changer. This money changer is one of the best, I think, in Bali. BMC, Central Kuta, Prasarana, all are good. Let's go to the right side so that you can see better view. Whoa. She drives really fast. And here, if you go straight there, that is Jalan Hanuman. It's also kind of like a famous street in Ubud. You can have a lot of shops there or shopping, some accommodation, but mostly like homestays. And this street also will lead you to go to the monkey forest. Okay, let's continue. There's Anomaly Coffee there. And along this street, you will see a lot of restaurants that you can go for lunch and dinner, of course. And I have Rambulan Spa. I think last time someone asked me about this spa. It's kind of like a new spa, I think, but I'm not really sure how it is. Maybe you can share to us based on your experience. And they have Luwak Bali coffee, black eye coffee and roastery. This is new. I didn't see it last time. It just started to open. I mean, not long ago. And the local people will offer you raincoat, umbrellas. Anyway, if you come to Bali, I think you can borrow umbrella from your hotel, because most of the hotels and villa, they provide umbrellas for you. Just don't forget to return them. There on the left side is Nomad Restaurant. It's quite busy by this time, which is good. This area still busy. Some tourists still walking around. They are going somewhere to cafes or restaurants to get some dinner. And all the shops around here still open. And I came last time to this area in the morning. It was so quiet in the morning. Maybe you have seen my latest video about Ubud. So I came to this area. And I have a request to see other area as well. But because I don't have time today, I will come back again next time to Ubud. Especially to see Bisma area and Kedewatan area maybe. And Keliki. So let's see next time. And this is Gedong Sisi restaurant, guys. very busy also. But next to it, I don't know what it will be in this place. This place have closed since COVID-19 and until now not open yet. I think they have kind of like a renovation. Maybe another restaurant will come up soon. Let's see. You like to have gelato? See, even rainy season, a lot of people like to have gelato. It's a nice place. Look at this. You can watch the traffic. This is another Luwak Coffee cafe or Black Eye Luwak Coffee. They have a lot of cafe like this now. And there in the front is the Ubud market. By this time, all of them are still open. Still busy by this time, which is good to see that. So that is the parking area for this market, which is good. So you can park your scooter there. But unfortunately, they don't have any parking area for cars for this market. I thought there would be parking area for cars at the basement, but I was wrong. Oh, look at this. Still very busy by this time here at the Ubud Art Market. A lot of tourists like to do shopping. And here is the Ubud Center. They have the palace there. And if you like to see the dance, since it's raining, they have the dance right there at the, what you call that, Wantilan we call it in Bali. So they have a big building that they can perform the dance just beside of the Ubud Palace. Okay, let's cross the road. Okay everyone, that's all for today's video from this area in Ubud. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to support me by subscribing this channel. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much and bye now.